To fix tunneling in candles, there are several methods you can try. Firstly, try wrapping aluminum foil around the rim of the candle while it's burning, folding the edges in toward the center, but leaving a hole above the wick. This traps heat from the flame and helps melt the wax more evenly. Another option is to use a hairdryer to melt the top layer of wax, especially if the tunneling has just started. For more severe tunneling, you can also heat the candle in the oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, making sure not to melt the wax too much. Gently pushing the wax around the edges toward the wick can also help prevent tunneling in a freestanding pillar candle. If tunneling has occurred, you can scrape off any wax above the wick with a butter knife, melting the excess in a wax warmer if you want to continue to enjoy the scent. In more severe cases, you can melt out all the wax and replace the candle's wick. To avoid tunneling in the first place, make sure to let the wax melt all the way to the edges of the candle on the first burn. Trimming the wick to 1/8 inch and burning the candle away from drafts can also help keep tunneling in check.